What's up, guys? So like today gonna show how to fix the audio settings on the new update on Windows. Um, this update has been for weeks now, but I couldn't fix it. And I tried many things. I tried changing here everything, enhancements like Dolby audio settings on and off, these settings, updating drivers, all the settings, but it didn't work. And I'm talking about the Cortana update on Windows 10. And what did help was so easy. Just go to control panel and go to HD audio manager, and here just change from stereo to 5.1 speaker, and this changed everything. Before, the music was so much worse after the update, so I had to go back to the old update and again, but this worked yeah, even better. Yeah, even better, I think. So yeah, that will be all. If it helped you, let me know in the comment below. See ya.